Okay, let's open this thing up and get it set up on the fence. See if this one works a little bit better than that last one did. Of course, it's going to take me a few days to charge it up. Here's the on-off switch back here. Make sure it's on off while it's charging for 3 days. And we will just see how this thing goes. The last one was bright. If this sensor would just work right on that last one, it would have been perfect. We'll see if this one works. All right, this looks like a sunny spot to me. Keep it here for a few days at least. Good enough. Now we'll see how that works.